येन सूर्याग्निवाक्चन्द्रं तेजसा स्वस्वरूपिणा वर्तते कौस्तुभाख्यां हि मणिं वदन्ति शमानिनः. The devotees of God say that the Chit Shakti or the potency which bestows intuitive wisdom to the Jiva souls to know in reality the Tattvas, the relations amongst God, Jiva and Maya, is the Kaustubha gem. As the sun, the fire, the speech and the moon got their respective power from the inscrutable potency or power of God to act in conformity, so too Kaustubha gem is the special grace embodiment of God for illumining the Jiva soul with bestowing the wisdom. But the worshippers of Virata Rupa of God imagine this Kaustubha gem like sun, moon, etc. as they shine, removing the darkness. Sattvam rajastama iti ahankaraschaturбhujah panchabhutatmakam shankham kare rajasi samsthitam. Those who meditate upon my Virata Rupa, for them my four hands represents Sattva, Rajatama, these triple gunas as well as Ahankara, and my Shankha, conch, represents the Panchabhutas, five elements of Prakriti, that I hold at my particular hand, which represents Rajoguna. Balaswarupam Atyantam Manaschakram Nigadyate Adya Maya Bhavechangam Padmam Vishwam Kare Sthitam. As the mind of an infant is restless but pure, so also one should think that my discus is always moving about, but at the same time it is unblemished, as it is held by me in my that particular hand which represents Sattva Guna, that is spoken by the wise. The Maya, the very cause of the illusion, represents my whip and bow made of horn, Sharanga Dhanu, that I hold at my particular hand, which represents Tamoguna, and the lotus Vishwa by name, which also of Tamoguna, I hold at my other hand. So meditates a man who follows Virata Rupa. Adya Vidya Gada Vedya Sarvada Mem Kare Sthita Dharmartha Kama Keyuryai Divyai Divyam Ahiritaihi. By dint of unknown accumulated Sukriti, when a fortunate Jiva turns towards Sri Vishnu, the Lord out of his own prerogative bestows intuitive wisdom unto him when he cuts asunder the knots of worldly bondage by having realization of his own self as a servitor of Sri Krishna. This wisdom is the mace at my hand, which I hold at that my particular hand representing Ahankara. And Dharma, Artha and Kama, the Trivargas, represent my armlets with which my hands are adorned. But my armlets are not only representing these three Vargas, they are all more glorious with divine splendor, and therefore most glorious wise ones beseech for their favor. Kanthastu nirgunam proktam malyate adyaya jaya mala nigadyante bahye stava putraistu manasaihi. The abstruse Brahman, Nirguna Brahman, the knowledge about the abstruse Brahman represents the neck which is covered with Avarana Shakti, Rupaya Maya, the enchanting illusion in the shape of a garland. Bho Brahma, Your Manasaputra, Sanaka and others entitled this Avana Shakti Rupa Maya as the garland of Virata Rupa. Kotastham yat swarupam cha kiritam pravadanti mam charottamam praspurantam kundalam yugalam smritam. My Kutastha, unchangeable form, is the crown, whereas all the sentient beings and non-sentient objects and the Jiva souls are a pair of earrings of my Virat Rupa. ध्यायेन् मम प्रियो नित्यं मोक्षमधिगच्छति samukto bhavati tasmai atmanam cha dadami vai. Up to the previous mantra, how I am meditated upon on my Virat Rupa by an ordinary aspirant. Next, Bhagavan says that those who are fortunate indeed, having imbibed intuitive wisdom, meditate upon my Divya Mangalamaya Vigraha. Soon they cut asunder all the knots of worldly bondage and attain final beatitude, which is nectarine blissful. Up to him I give myself. I become subjugated to his prema. Etat sarvam bhavishyadvai maya proktam vidhetava swarupam dvividhanchaiva sagunam nirgunatmakam. O Brahma, what I have told all about the Nirguna transcendental manifestation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead and Saguna, here Virata Rupa, these are my manifestations to be realized by the respective aspirants.